In this video, you will learn secret to trading Fibonacci retracement. Recently, I've not been uploading videos because I was on holiday. Now I'm back and I want to say to you guys, expect more videos. Enjoy this video as you watch secrets. In this video, you will learn secrets to trading Fibonacci retracement. Now, we all know as traders that it's so easy for traders to just take that Fibonacci retracement indicator and then drag it from point A to point B. Just like this point here. Let's take this place to be our point A, dragging it from this point, point A to point B. We can see that we have our Fibonacci. At this point, we have 61% Fibonacci. And we can see at this point, a trader will be looking forward to go into a trade, a buy trade, hoping the trend is going to continue to the upside. Because if we can look from this point, the market pull to the upside, retrace, pull into the upside, retrace backward. So at this point that a trader is considering entering a trade, definitely he's going to put his stop loss below the 61%. You're looking forward to take your profit at this point B or even more. Now, what happened? Most of the times, people go into a trade like this and they end up seeing the trend going down against them. Now, professionals, they don't just jump into trade picking points, A, point B, and then they drag their indicators and then have 61%, they jump into buy or sell. They always do have an edge. And this is the difference between professional traders and amateur traders. Now, the difference is not much. It's just little secrets. And that is why in this video, I said I'm going to be showing you guys secrets to trading Fibonacci retracement. Now, as I go forward in this video, I'll be showing you secret in how the professionals or profitable traders are trading Fibonacci with an edge and they are making profit. That way, you will learn just now. Before showing you secrets to trading Fibonacci retracement, you need to know how to trade with 1:2 as a good money management strategy. So many traders out there have good strategy, they trade, but because they lack good money management, they end up not making money in trading. So what do I mean by this? Here we have our stop loss. We have our entry, which is a buy here, and then we have our take profit at this point. Now, if you check at this point that your stop loss is more than your take profit, then you don't want to go into that trade. For instance, let's say your stop loss here is 20 pips, and then you have your take profit as 40 pips. That's 1:2. So if you have a trade that is 1:2 or 1:1.5, at least it's more than 1:1, then you should consider that trade as a good signal. Now, if you trade like this, each time you win, you're winning more than you are putting into risks. That way, you end up being in profit. So now I'll take you to a different chart where I'm going to show you exactly how the professional traders or profitable traders trade with an edge and make money trading Fibonacci retracement. This is GBP JPY 5-minute chart. A profitable trader will want to trade like this. Grab our indicator. Now from this point, we want to drag it from point A to point B. So we can see at this point, we have 38%. At this point, we can see the market bounce, retrace up to this level, which is 38% Fibonacci. Sometimes it's retraced to 38% and then change, move to the upside, sometimes 50% and sometimes 61%. Most of the times traders just like picking 61% because they feel when it is 61%, then it has retraced to the best position where they can buy or sell. but it's not about just going down to 61%. It's about having an edge. You can even take a trade at 38%, 50%, or 61%. Any one of the three can work for you if you have an edge. So at this point that we have our Fibonacci at 38%, a profitable trader will just want to look back and see if this point has been tested before. Now we can see that this point, which is 38% Fibonacci, if we can see at this point, it's a resistance that changed to a support. Let me show you clearly a resistance, right? We can see that we have a resistance here, and this resistance changed to a support. We can see that clearly, a resistance changed to a support. At this point, we can say this is a resistance. At this point, we can say this is R resistance, and we can say this is support. Here at this point, we can say this is support. Let's use a different color. Here we can say this is support. So we can say resistance changed to a support. We can see here the market was tested too. Here is another resistance, right? We can see it here. We can see this is resistance. So we can see that we have a point here. We have another point here, a level. Then this 38% is testing these 2 points. And we can see the reason why the market was ranging here is because the market is testing these 2 levels. And at this point, we can see an engulfment here, an engulfing candle. So we have a reason. Okay, a professional trader will want to go into a trade and then put his stop loss somewhere below 38%. So profit level will be here at this point. Take profit will be here, and then we will have our stop loss somewhere here. So you can see entry point will be somewhere around here. That's a buy. So we can use this green color for a buy. We can say a buy signal, right? A buy signal will be somewhere here. So we have a buy here, we have a take profit here, and we have a stop loss here. Now you can see the reason why this trade did not really drop to the downside is because we have 2 levels here that has been tested on 38% Fibonacci, and there's a strong reason. This is trading with an edge. If you have the secret, this is the secret to trading Fibonacci. The 38% or the 50% or the 61% must have a level that is testing. And if that level rejects that price going in that direction, then you have a reason to place your stop just little stops below that region. And we can see the blue line here is the region where you're going to put your stop loss below, and then you have your take profit before your B. So if you are trading Fibonacci like this, you will see yourself making profit. You will see yourself trading like the professionals or profitable trader. So if you want to make profit, keep trading this way, and I bet you will see change. You will see yourself taking your trade to the next level. I wish you success. If you have any question, you can drop your comments, and I'll be glad to respond to you. Do not forget to subscribe, because I'll be uploading new videos, and I'm here to help you guys to become a profitable trader. Please pay it forward by sharing this video with others.